Audio recording just dropped of none other than Rich Homie Quan spitting a whole verse to law enforcement about Young Thug.
Right. So my hand was on the spot. I saw him. We had a show together. I'm just asking myself. Everybody been talking about it. I'm gonna just be a man and answer myself. Right. It's crazy, man. Those go ahead and do what you can't prove. Right. Point blank period. I ain't no rat. I ain't telling no. I'm just being real with y'all. I got how much I love living, man. You know what I'm saying? I like that shit real fucked up, bro.
Yo, what's up everyone? Today, we've got a bombshell from the world of hip-hop. Rich Homie Quan is set to testify in the Young Thug YSL RICO trial. This is a major twist and the details are wild. Let's dive in. Welcome back to the Jose Show. We've got some heavy stuff to talk about today. Rich Homie Quan is making headlines as he's called to testify in the Young Thug YSL RICO trial. This story is blowing up and it's got everyone in the hip-hop community buzzing. Stick around because we're breaking down all the details of this shocking development. You don't want to miss this.
Fulton County prosecutors say Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffrey Williams, is one of the founders of Young Slime Life, a violent Atlanta street gang.
Now, the rapper says he's an artist who's been falsely accused.
Jury selection is underway in the trial of Young Thug and 13 other suspected members of Young Slime Life, or YSL. Legal experts say the case will be complicated and drawn out, especially for such a well-known star.
All right, here's the lowdown. Rich Homie Quan, who has had a complicated history with Young Thug, is set to testify in the ongoing RICO trial involving Young Thug and the YSL gang. This trial has been a huge deal in the hip-hop world, with accusations ranging from drug trafficking to violent crimes. Quan and Thugger were once tight, even collaborating on hit tracks like Lifestyle. But their relationship soured, and now Quan's testimony could be a game changer in this high-profile case.
And so when did that fall apart? And was it abrupt or sudden that you guys just stopped having anything to do with each other, or how did that unfold?
We all got our own side. The shit started falling apart. I feel like when we start going on, we start getting booked for shows and shit. Yeah, we all started getting booked together. And ego played a big role in it. Certain people wanted more money, and one of those. I ain't gonna say too much, but it started falling apart around it.
What's the relationship with Quan, with Rich Homie?
No, we don't have no problem. Okay. Like, I don't think we can be like how we used to be.
Right.
He already just did some bullshit. He already know my heart, so it's like I forgive. I always forgive.
The YSL RICO trial has been a roller coaster, with prosecutors aiming to dismantle what they claim is a dangerous gang. Young Thug, whose real name is Jeffrey Williams, is facing serious charges that could put him away for a long time. The stakes are incredibly high, and Quan's involvement adds a dramatic twist.
Live at 5, a heated exchange between defense attorneys and former Atlanta police detective. The ex-Atlanta investigator says YSL is a criminal street gang.
And it's just not wait till the last minute.
I'm not waiting till the last minute, Your Honor. I am not anticipating. We're about to discuss a slideshow.
Focus. We ain't got to that yet.
All right.
Focus. I'm focusing on your behavior at this point in time. I'm not saying to you that the information is not any less invalid, but it's the timing that's a problem.
Sources say Quan's testimony could provide crucial insights into YSL's operations and Young Thug's role in the alleged criminal activities. This development has sparked a lot of speculation and debate in the hip-hop community.
According to reports, Quan has been served a summons to take the stand as a witness in the case. The prosecution claims that Quan has previously given a police statement that will be read in court during his testimony. However, it's unclear whether Quan will actually provide evidence against Thug.
Here's what I think. Rich Homie Quan testifying in this trial is a huge deal. It's like a plot twist straight out of a movie. Their history adds a layer of drama that makes this trial even more intense. Quan's testimony could either solidify the case against Young Thug or throw a wrench in the prosecution's plans. It's crazy to see how things have turned out for these two artists who once made magic together. But wait, there's more. The RICO charges against Young Thug and YSL are part of a broader crackdown on gang activities. Authorities are using every tool in their arsenal to bring down what they describe as organized crime. This trial is setting a precedent in how the legal system tackles alleged gang-related activities in the hip-hop industry.
Today marks exactly 6 months since the high-profile YSL trial began, and there's still no end in sight.
A half a year has gone by. Dozens of witnesses have been called to testify, and it's still anyone's guess how or when this trial will end.
You'll hear evidence that hundreds of bullets were fired.
And here's an even bigger twist. Lil Wayne, who has his own history with Young Thug, has been mentioned in the trial. The beef between Wayne and Thugger is well documented, and Wayne's name being brought up adds another layer of intrigue.
Russ and Courtney, this is the prosecution witness list. It contains names like Lil Wayne. It is very long. Now, legal experts we speak with say this trial could take 9 months and be complicated.
This trial is pulling in some of the biggest names in hip-hop, making it even more explosive. And here's another angle. This trial could have a ripple effect throughout the hip-hop industry. It's a wake-up call for artists who might be involved in questionable activities. Quan's decision to testify might inspire others to come forward, or it could deepen the rift between different factions within the community. Either way, it's a pivotal moment.
6 months in, we are looking at something that's unprecedented.
Trial attorney Jay Shipp is not tied to this case, but he has been following it.
You never know what is going on in that juror's life.
Of the 18 jurors selected, 2 have already been dismissed. Shipp wonders if the jury will make it through the end of the trial, and if they do, will both sides be able to keep their attention?
I'm also worried about the fact that they may just be fatigued. They may be all worn out about hearing about YSL.
Before we wrap up, consider this. What does this trial mean for the future of Young Thug and the YSL gang? Could this be a turning point in hip-hop's relationship with the law? Stay tuned as we continue to follow this explosive story. Don't miss out on any updates about this high-stakes trial. Make sure to subscribe to The Jose Show and hit the notification bell so you're the first to know when we drop new videos. Drop a comment below. What do you think about Rich Homie Quan testifying against Young Thug? Let's get the conversation going. As this case develops, we'll keep you in the loop with all the latest updates. From the courtroom drama to the potential fallout, The Jose Show is your go-to source for all the details. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and stay curious. Peace.